Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property appraisals with ValueMapp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the transfer of property appraisals with ValueMapp, navigate to the ValueMapp website. Log in using your registered credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your home screen. From the dashboard, select the Appraisals tab. This will take you to your list of completed appraisals. Identify the property appraisal you wish to transfer. Click on the appraisal title to open the details. Within the Details view, look for the Transfer button. Click on the Transfer button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Enter the email address accurately to ensure proper delivery. Next, add a brief message if necessary. Review the details to confirm everything is correct. Once satisfied, click the Send Transfer button. A confirmation message will appear indicating the transfer is in process. The recipient will then receive an email notification about the appraisal transfer. They can access the appraisal by following the link provided in the email. Ensure you communicate with the recipient for any additional context needed. Monitor your dashboard for the status of the transfer. You'll receive a notification once the transfer is completed. That's it. You have successfully transferred the property appraisal using ValueMapp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.